Introduction to iGen Vietnam. iGen Vietnam was established with the mission of maximizing the potential of the Vietnamese people. iGen is an abbreviation of Intelligent Generation, meaning creating an intelligent generation. Vision: to become an unlimited learning environment for everyone. Core values of iGen Vietnam is integrity, positive thinking, spirit of learning, social service, gratitude. iGen has two main offices. Office 1, at the Guest House of Vietnam National University of Ho Chi Minh City, is the workplace for the content team. Office 2 at 163 Nguyen Van Troy, Phu Nguyen District, Ho Chi Minh City, is the location of the IT team responsible for system development. Current programs being implemented at iGen Vietnam. Program 1. Enhancing office computing skills for students nationwide. The program collaborates with the Institute for Leadership Development of Ho Chi Minh City National University, referred to as iLead, with the aim of enabling Vietnamese students to master office computing skills before graduation. The course consists of 185 lessons divided into 8 content sections: Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Forms, Google Drive and Canva. For each lesson, students are provided with theory and practical exercises to grasp the knowledge. Upon completion of the program, students are awarded a certificate by the Institute for Leadership Development of Ho Chi Minh City National University. This certificate will be valuable to students' resumes when seeking future employment. Program 2. Training on Innovation and Entrepreneurship. Knowledge of innovation and entrepreneurship plays a crucial role in an individual's success. Therefore, iGen Vietnam has collaborated with the Innovation and Entrepreneurship Center of Ho Chi Minh City National University, IEC, to implement courses such as Creative Problem Solving, Critical Thinking, Building Personal Brand, to help Vietnamese youth confidently navigate the challenging journey of entrepreneurship. Similarly, after completing the program, students will be awarded a course completion certificate by the Innovation and Entrepreneurship Center of Ho Chi Minh City National University. Program 3. iGen Vietnam collaborates with Enui Corporation and the Institute for Leadership Development of Ho Chi Minh City National University, iLead, to provide practical training in digital marketing. The course aims to ensure that 100% of participants who complete the course will have part-time job opportunities with salaries ranging from 3 to 5 million Vietnam dong. The instructors are marketing department heads with many years of experience at leading and reputable marketing companies in Vietnam. Program 4. We collaborate with reputable law firms and universities to develop and implement law courses, helping students grasp important laws as tools for life. Program 5. The Vina Page Project is a digital transformation platform for individuals and organizations. It can be said that this is a very important project of iGen when combined with strategic partner Tino Group and with many large enterprises in fields such as technology, law, accounting, finance, etc. On this platform, users can create their own website such as a personal website, e-commerce website, or e-learning website completely free of charge. Additionally, when users complete iGen's courses, they will have many opportunities for internships and work in partner enterprises. To expand into the world, we have established iGen New Zealand and soon to be iGen Australia to bring students to study, work, and live in developed countries. iGen Vietnam desires to collaborate with individuals and organizations to realize its mission of maximizing the potential of the Vietnamese people.